Mama, my fire.
Your fire? Be careful of your fire. What are you making?
I don't know, making.
You don't know what you're making? Are you making eggs?
No.
Are you making popcorn?
No.
Are you making pancakes?
No.
Macaroni and cheese?
No.
Those are all your favorite things.
Mommy.
You're
My pizza dough.
making pizza dough?
And my brother.
In your oven?
Yeah, my tissues.
You're silly. Whoa! No! Over goes the oven! Can you pick it back up?
Hold on, oven.
There you go.
Oh.
What? What?
That's oven stuff. What would you? How does it go?
You're just gonna move it around
Put it in the show.
and put it in here?
Yeah.
Alright, now what are you gonna make?
I don't know making.
You don't know what you're making?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
No, don't touch the flower, Mommy.
I won't touch the fire. Thank you for the warning, though.
I can touch it, Mommy.
Yeah, I can't touch the fire. It'll hurt me. It'll hurt Ava, too, right?
Ow!
Ow!
Ow! Hot. See? That's better.
Is it all better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, no. No flower here.
There's no fire right there?
Mama, don't touch it.
Oh, I don't want to touch it. Is it going to burn me?
No.
Oh, is it safe now?
Yeah.
Okay, it's safe. Thank you for making it safe.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Pop, 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 pop. It's hot.
What was this? I need top.
You need a top?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm going to pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
Ow. I top.
You found a top?
Yeah.
That's a truck.
No, that's a pop.
Okay.